that bitch some money. Nigga talking this gangsta shit and he wait for money. You can go X about on the stop and then on top of that I'm providing.
God! He's gonna get it! Oh, God!
What it do, Fast Life crew? I'm Fast Life Nick, and I'm gonna be working on my car today. Cause I'm Fast Life Nick.
You're not fucking me.
Wait a minute. As y'all can see, I have some minorities in my backyard helping me on today's project.
Minorities? I'm 23 years old.
Exactly, and I'm
You know
Mexican.
what a minority is?
Fuck you mean?
A minor, right?
Wait a minute.
How the fuck am I a minority?
Black.
That's what that means for real?
Yes.
It means black.
They're out of the population.
Hold on.
First of all, we the
Pause.
biggest group of the fucking population. First of all, we got.
In which way?
Why you look down on this dick?
My mama got 7 kids. First of all, that means black household got 7 kids plus. We are not the minority.
It just means your dad's slinging.
I got a surprise for you. Here, open it. Catch.
I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy. You're a good guy. You're a bad guy because you're.
This is racist. You should be able to open it with your fucking. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I'm gonna let you go like this.
From the side.
You know every fucking thing.
There you go. Yeah. Good boy. Bro, what the fuck? That shit look crazy.
Yeah. Don't mind that guy.
Go hang out in the bushes. Go hang out in the guest house where you belong, you dog. All right, come back, Chop. Oh, stop, my stomach already hurt.
Because he won't be needing a security system.
My stomach already hurt. I feel like I got a stomach right now. I got a shit or something. I don't know if I got a shit or it was from last night.
All right,
Guy's a dog.
what do we have here?
We have the leg maker intake.
Leg spreader. You know why we call it the leg spreader? Why? When women hear it coming down the block, what do? Me?
What the fuck is going on here?
Yeah, because they hear that whine. That whine is loud as.
He's gonna be installing it today.
Who? Who?
Please?
Bro, right here, I'm just a dog.
It's just a box, nigga.
I'm about to become a dog. What y'all do?
Thick ass dog.
What the fuck is going on here? I'm gonna try to install it myself. This is probably the only thing I know how to install on my own goddamn car.
Do you have tools?
My tool pack right there.
No, that's my tools.
This is my house. You wanna go back to your house, dog? No. Be a good boy and put this on like a good bitch.
Please don't send me back to the cage. Pop the hood.
You have to hear what it sounds like before. Oh, can I have the key, you thief?
I don't remember when we stole this car, this shit was not like this.
God damn.
What you do?
My ex-dog.
Your ex-dog?
My ex-dog scratched it all up.
You must have been humping other animals. What's up with that? What's up with that?
I don't know that guy.
Now that I think about it, this low-key scammed me, bro. When we stole the car, I was supposed to slide it. We stole it together, I was supposed to dog it. Maybe today. I said, when we stole the car, bro, I never got to slide it. I helped you steal it.
Didn't sell it or nothing.
You hear that? You're going back to jail.
Got him.
Can I get my leg maker back?
New video.
We about to go slide in the trenches.
I'm not a real person. I am a box.
I identify as a helicopter.
I identify as a FedEx box.
I'm pro-box.
What the fuck? I went to hide for 5 seconds, and this is what I come back to. Shit fucked up. All right, let's hear it. Okay.
Nigga, what?
Looks good.
Cut that shit off, bro. Shit ass.
No good.
I don't like how you acting fake as hell.
What?
Cause that, you know that wine was ass.
It was all right.
It wasn't that bad. You might just be dicking him.
This is what we got this for, nigga. We got this to make it way louder.
Yes, we do.
You got a Glock, I got a fully chopped, this shit different. Live action face nigga on the camera, he's still twitching. Almost stole a nigga scat pack, but the pro pack glitching. Off the lick, put 93 in torch and almost blew the engine.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We needed to get a slushy break. Good money. I can teach you how to make some money. Listen, my good brother, come down here with me while I give this guy some life advice. You haven't been making money all your life, as I can tell. I've been making money all my life just by playing games on my phone. Well, I'm still.
We're missing that too. Who the f stole my tools?
You don't look at me, nigga.
I see JJ Peanut Butter's Kirby Joe. No! This is all we need right here.
I don't know what he doing and shit.
Oh, okay.
You know you're already f***ing up, right? You start off by taking sensors off, you f***ing goofy.
Take that off. Joke's on you. That shit's not coming off, gang.
Daddy's gonna make it come off. Told you.
No, take this off.
Yeah, it's not coming off.
That shit's not coming off.
That shit's not coming off.
I broke it already. Look.
Oh shit. I broke this on my jailbreak as well. I cut it and I stuffed it in the hole.
Oh my God.
Cozy Chrysler.
Oh my God.
Is he f***ing your shit?
Bro, just come up here. We need to see what the f we did with this one. This might be a bad example.
What the f is this?
Yeah. I don't know what the f Quan did.
This is Quan work?
Yeah, this is Quan's work.
Can you check that motor?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But this one's stolen, so don't record this part, okay? Right. This car's stolen, that's why I covered it.
Real quick. I'm playing.
Fast Life Nick new rap leak.
Clout chasing has gone too far.
Hey! Yo! I need clout! I need clout!
What the fuck?
No. Where are you getting this from?
What the fuck? I didn't build none of these cars, so.
You didn't build none of these cars?
Like
That's
that
not
motor,
what the police report said.
like how the f did he even do it?
That shit sound good as hell.
No, this is different, bro. Maybe this car and that car is a bad example.
What year is this?
2021.
Yo, why do you have a brand new transmission?
In case I blow one up.
You're having it like that?
Hey, this shit was free. Don't ask why.
I understand what we're supposed to do now.
What are we supposed to do?
He understands it now, okay.
It's not any regular old plastic. This right here is advanced technology.
From where?
Imported from Caucasus. They use this on all types of different vehicles, especially Hellcat. It's supposed to grab something that's very hot, heat up around this, and it loosens up so you can just pop it off. Here, heat it up again and put it back around this, put it back on. Just like that.
Or
You can mash
cut this.
Wait.
What?
I didn't think you were gonna cut it from there. I thought he was gonna slice it down the middle like this so he can just pry it open.
That's smart.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God.
That's dumb as fuck. You smart as fuck.
Wouldn't that be easier?
Yes.
He's using his brain.
Okay.
Do you think JJ Peanut Butter would approve of this shit?
No. Fuck no. Bro, this shit not even cutting,
That
bro.
shit not doing nothing.
This might be the most shit I've
There it
ever
goes.
seen in my fucking life.
Fuck! Fuck!
What the is that?
Nah, he's actually pretty smart.
He's smart? This guy's an idiot.
Gather around the campfire
And sing our campfire song. RCAMPFIRE. You don't know how to spell campfire?
Oh, that's what he was doing? He was spelling that shit?
Yes.
Gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song.
RCAMPFIRE.
How do you spell campfire?
Alright, I need to go back to school.
CAMPFIRE.
Alright, bet. Let's redo it.
SONG song.
Cover it.
Let's gather around the
Campfire and sing our campfire song. RCAMPFIRE.
Fuck! I'm confused! Whoa! Pull.
We need that.
But first, the clamp has to be on there.
Let me get to it, you asshole.
Why the f would you put it on first before? There you
Cock
go.
ring.
Good boy. Good boy.
I sit in my house all day. off to. All right, where's the?
That's why I don't go to the crib no
You
more.
don't come to my house no more because of what happened.
God damn.
Letting that boy down. Yeah, that boy's not going nowhere. Like Juice's career.
Oh my God, this thing's
If you know how I feel, why would you say that?
the slim side, the tip, put the tip in. This is the tip. No,
That's not the
that's
tip.
not the
That's
tip.
the root of the ball.
Stick it in, twist it, make sure the girthy hole right here is facing upwards so you can stick our little whoop-de-doo inside that joint, just like. Now take the 10 millimeter.
Get that boy in there.
Now you want to go ahead and stick it in the hole.
The big one.
What?
Oh my God. You broke my seal.
No, it's good.
Yeah, it looks good here. Looks like a black hole. Like Juice's career.
If you know how I feel,
All right, where's the last clamp?
In his ass. Wait, let me do the honors for this part.
You want to put the tip on? Why he take the hardest part though?
Oh yeah, there we go. Maybe you need some lube. Yeah.
Keep pushing a little bit. Keep
Keep on.
There you
It's
go.
on.
So don't fucking full throttle that.
Yeah, don't full throttle.
Black belt, black belt.
I would have drilled his stupid ass. What the fuck? No! That boy's not going nowhere fast. Okay, well that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching another SRT LEN how-to tutorial. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stop my...
Guys, it's the box, nigga.
I identify as a helicopter. I see JJ Peanut Butter's Kirby Joe. Real rap, I'm the fence, go bend the scat. The Charger wrapped in satin black. The Charlie Fender got no badge. I'm trying to fuck on what's her name inside the crib. I'll switch right back. On my soul, don't ever lack. I'll hear that knock and grab that mask. You guys ready to hear our work?
Absolutely. This should sound 10 times better than the last. That shit sounds crazy.
I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it.
1 through 10.
That shit was like a 20 out of 10. Hey, yo, you did a beautiful job, guys. Good fucking job. It took 3 fucking black men just to put on 1 leg, man.
Gotta get that ghetto pussy hand up. I'm saying, she ain't tryna fuck.
Literally should have took 30 minutes.
Now, if you ever watched a SRT LEN video or a Past Life Nick video, you know niggas can never keep shit regular.
You always have to do something to the cars.
And that's taking off the hood in this video.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, where can we put this stolen property at? Next to the other stolen property, yes.
All stolen property.
Police, if you're looking to find stolen property, it's in there.
Blur that shit out.
Nigga, wow.
So we finally got this bitch on the road fast. You know what we gotta do, though? Track mode. Oh my God! No, this shit is disgusting now.
That leg maker got his shit screaming out.
Yo, this wine is disgusting. I haven't heard the torch sound like that.
Oh, bell screech, you heard that?
That shit's slipping.
Yeah, that shit did slip in the pussy though. What up, OG?
You had me nervous as a motherfucker. I thought you was busting that motherfucker.
You like that shit? was busting that bitch. I might like this more than the Charger, bro.
Yeah.
This bitch sound fucking crazy. Wine might be better than exhaust, bro.
Yeah, no, the wine crazy now.
That shit hurt my ears.
Oh my God, the police is right there. Oh my God, the police is just right there. My God. What the fuck?
I miss having a Hellcat, bro. That's all I was missing, bro, to really like this shit. I feel as hell. I feel like I just seen a hop out the shower. Damn, he busting that bitch too. This might be too much power for me, cuz.
It keeps jerking me back.
It's jerking me, dog. It's jerking me.
Do slow pass.
Rolling burnout is crazy.
Yeah! I feel the power running through my fucking bones. I'm about to run this the fuck over.
Where you running, boy?
Get out the way! Not even keeping traction.
Yeah, but turn your traction control back on.
How about you don't touch my shit?
Wow, man.
Bitch, man. Go back to New York and hang with them Arab niggas. Not ready for the cat life.
I don't want to be in a ditch, gang.
I love this car. It's losing traction in 4th gear.
80 miles per hour.
It's losing traction in 4th gear. What have I created? Jordan, bro, your tune is fucking nice. Listen to this shit. Bro, what the is that, Jordan? I'm in 4th gear, that bitch going. That's not even underground tuning no more. That's right gun tuning.
That comes on every tune, by the way.
Yo, y'all have to go buy y'all tune. No matter what you buy.
Even if you got the V6.
What the fuck is that? Somehow it's gonna make a supercharger noise, bro. This nigga is the truth.
Hey, I'm about to disrespect, bro. I'm about to disrespect, bro.
That nigga not even looking up.
Oh my God. Oh, he pulled out. He pulled out. We was going 85, gang. We was doing 85 in the cell. He coming. Fuck! He's coming.
Nigga ugly as hell.
Sure, my ear gut.
school shooter, my nigga.
I thought you had no money.
Bro, I just made $94, bro.
I'm telling you, boys, I gotta go play them games. Press the QR code or press the link in the description. Obviously, you can see that we're in the middle of nowhere. You know what that means? You too cool to get out?
Absolutely. Close my fucking door back.
This is the new spot. I hope whoever lives in Michigan watching this video do not come and burn this shit out. So if you do, fuck you. We got us a nice little couch too. We be chilling here watching everybody slide. I'm about to catch an STD sitting on this shit.
What do you think about the leg maker?
No, it actually sounds good.
That shit hurts my ears on the inside.
On the inside?
That bitch.
That shit is loud though. On the outside too. You're welcome, bro.
Can we just get to the sliding?
Yeah. What do you want to do?
For me first?
No, bro. You slide it. I stole.
What do you guys think? What do you think?
I trust this dude.
Yeah. I don't know if that was a good idea.
She came to the crib, started eating the dick. What the fuck am I paying for? We just got done laying the fucking the bag up. We ain't staying long.
These look like tire marks like you were driving.
There's tire marks all over here. I'm running fast, life driver. Sound ridiculous, bro.
E85s make a big difference on the way it slides.
That road back was all hot.
That shit feels so fast.
No, no.
That was my first time really like sliding a Charlie. First of all, the leg maker for sure made a difference.
Yeah.
Second, E85 makes this shit slide like butter.
You need 885, guys.
You know, this is my first time sliding a Charlie.
And that shit feels way better than the
It's slide way better than the Charger. This is not a drop top. Oh yeah, you wanna go to jail. That nigga hop out the window on there. Oh shit, it's two of them.
Shit was just crazy, bro.
How the f do you make that noise?
I don't know.
I lost visual.
That felt good? Like that?
If I was a bitch, I'd most definitely crack.
Wait, first of all. When we come through, everyone these shots rush to the head. I pour this drink to keep me calm. Eyes be lying, but how they look when I can't smoke no med at all.
We gotta go to that roundabout over there. We gotta go to that roundabout over there.
There's a roundabout?
I told you it's a roundabout over there. It's a little circle.
What about that?
Saving tires, bro.
My nigga handsome with no braces and shit.
Chill out, bro.
He look like normal SpongeBob. Smile real quick.
Handsome Squidward.
Hi, how are you?
Our niggas in peer pressure and it's so weird.
good guy with a fat booty.
Nigga, wow.
On that cop.
That nigga start driving fast, nigga got to intimidate him.
Oh my God. You're nice.
I'm driver, bro. I'm telling you. I don't know why niggas on the internet be talking about nigga Nick can't slide, I can't slide, you can't slide. Could be YouTubers slide. Shit don't make no sense.
Don't make no fucking sense.
What the fuck, bro? This nigga is different.
Why a piece of tire hit this nigga? Wow! And you had so much wheel speed, tire tread was hitting this tire to burn.
I can't chase no bitch that ain't worth shit. I don't care my page alone. I'm 3 miles away from getting a million. Twin said I got money.
This is what we installed today. This right here screams loud.
Wow.
He just turned around and he was like, we're arresting as soon as he pulls off.
All right, y'all be safe. I'll catch y'all next time we running.
We?
Those guys were cool. Let's get the f out here now.
He parked his car behind the gate. He let me throw you up. We bought security for no reason. We all toting guns. She let me fuck the first night. That bitch a hole in one. In the stripper, hella ones. We finna fuck the ceiling up. Chopper hit his dirt. Them 2 or 3 to fuck your feeling up. She out her doing her. She think I care, but I don't give a fuck.
The best time of the day. E85 time. Me and my bacon.
My fish price is just down. Now them bitches back up. I went soft and made my bitch suck it to get it back up. This the biggest gun I got, but this is my backup.
By the way, y'all, we also installed a new mod. It's called the Square mod. I'm gonna squirt on you, bitch. We need to get next to another with his window open. Squirt all over his face. Something wrong with this nigga. I'm gonna squirt on the back of that nigga.
They looking back at you.
There's an old head in the back. Like, what the fuck?
They said they'll give a thumbs up. Oh, he's leaving. Get his out, get his out, get his out. Oh, I swear, why the
last video, should I keep it all wine? Make the exhaust louder, bro. I'm feeling the wine though. That shit gets to me. Types of boys. Look, no, the boys on foot. They walking in a squadron.
Lying to you.
Who?
I'm not lying. He said the police don't be on shit down here. They be on that. Fuck DPD. I take one of their cars.
You've been in jail 9 times. You will be on your 10th offense. Shit looks so nice. And we're just coming to ruin it.
This bitch peace think I think she need a deep.
Great.
Toxic. Bro ain't have his ski. Beatboxing, bitch. You real? What you gonna come?
You're still here while the bridge is shut down. You're going to jail.
Fuck! Detroit Quan.
What the good?
Good.
You're a scammer.
Hey, my nigga, man. What's up, bro? How you feeling, bro?
Why y'all got Quan out here?
I knew you came Challenger, bro. I knew you came
Got
with
to,
shit.
bro.
Stop buying cars. Not bad shit. Chill out, boy. Why? No, for real though, chill. The police.
We downtown, all hood. We can get niggas to crash out.
Could get people to crash.
Look, coming at you like this.
What are you talking about, man? I ain't gonna lie, you probably getting that took tonight.
Come on, let someone take it from me.
No, I got you, but I'm
I got you.
Holy Jesus. What the fuck is that?
What you got on, nigga?
I got the dark tour. It's a new one. It didn't come out yet.
Wow, man.
The BMW?
Yes, man.
It's not a city for the BMW. Oh, that was you already? Oh my God, you want to get gapped again?
Nah, I got Fister. Come on.
All right, come on.
Crackhead, bro.
That's bad.
That's bad.
That was bad, bro. You might be the slowest human on this planet.
I'll give you that shit.
You already know you're not being me.
Slow as hell.
You're not being me running like that. Fire.
Come on, man.
All right, come on. Y'all line.
Don't out here being me, guys.
And this ain't running track too. He's just natural with it. You know what I mean?
Taking off the shield.
That nigga come out the best. Gus coming out the best. He kind of long too, though.
Next time, I'ma win. Come on now, dog.
Ooh, you was close.
Huh?
You was there.
I'm about to race Quan.
One, go! Watch out, he's backing up! Oh my God! Oh, what the fuck?
Get hit by a car. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nick's not fast like Nick, bro. He's slow like Nick.
How the f you steal cars and can't run?
fucking ass so fat, that shit weighing them down. Y'all can't run. When you running, you can see that bitch weighing them down.
All that money in my pocket's weighing me down. My nigga Juice said he's taking that through there.
I'll take that through there for, you know what I'm saying? For a nice.
I'm great.
What? It's been pretty scarce out this. I gotta set up with something.
Hey, that's the bottom. He's scraping the bottom of the barrel.
It get very dry and crusty. I'm scraping the crust off it.
Come on, man.
Every show off for you and crash that shit. You terrible.
He has a bad track record.
I don't give a fuck.
Somebody go get their cars. Why y'all looking at? It's y'all the show. Oh, Anderson, swap go back
It's a dick in it too, but I ain't get it off no dike. We be on the sticks in the air, we ain't on no strike. I pump gas and leave it running, it's a strike, nigga. This ain't standing HELLCAT, bitch, you got the mic. You got no fighting, she tryna make love, bitch.
Yourself doing that.
He on the walkie-talkie with it. What you want to say?
RG shit, it's cool, nigga know what's going on.
And everyone get their run.
What is that?
Oh my God! He's gonna get us! Oh God! Get up! We
Somebody here.
But you want to go to jail, you have to shut the bridge down. You're still here while the bridge is shut down. You're going to jail.
Fuck!
Nothing basic. I like guns that shoot, brr, I don't want nothing boom.